Okay guys, welcome back to BlakeWrTv kitchen. You know it's your boy Chef Blake is in the kitchen, and we have our special guest here. Who is it? Aiden?
Aiden Blake.
Yeah, Aiden Blake is helping me. Aiden gonna be my cameraman today, so he's holding the camera for me while I go through and scale these fish. Okay guys, my fish is nice and washed. So it's Aiden, and look good.
Yeah, super good.
Alright, so it's gonna cut some little cuts in them so the season can get into the meat. Just like that. That means the season can get all the way down into the meat. Straight down to the bone. So this thing can be tasting good, you see what I'm saying? Okay guys, so here we are with our season. We have our Himalayan pink salt. This is very good, guys. And if you guys use that before, and as usual, I have my roasted garlics. Very nice season right here. It give your food a very good flavor. You can taste that in your taste bud. This is very good too. This is a original season blend. Here I have my garlic and pepper, also a nice season as well. Okay guys, so back to the fish business. Alright, so we clean them, cut them and everything. So right now guys, what we want to do, we want to dry any moisture. See all that moisture on the board? You want to get rid of all of this moisture. When you're making fish, you don't want any moisture on your fish. Especially when you have to fry them or escovitch them, you want your fish them to be dry. So yeah, get your board dry. So you want to absorb any liquid around your fish. Do the same thing with this one right here. Yeah man, just get a piece of paper towel and don't be afraid to dry your fish then. Get rid of all the moisture. Because if you have moisture on your fish when you're frying them, trust me, they are bound to stick in the pot. And trust me, you guys, you don't want to be, after putting in all your hard work to season your fish, you get them stuck and sticking at the pot, and then you try to flip them over and them all skin coming off and crushing up and don't look as attractive as when you put them in. Alright guys, so we already have them dry. So let's go ahead and put on some pink salt on them. We want to get the salt into the cuts. Yep, just like that. And just flip them over on the other side. Put in the salt in them again. Flip it over guys. Put some more on this side. The salt is very good. It's full of mineral and things. The salt is not like the other salt, so I like the salt. There we go. Alright guys, now it's time for me to go and put in a little bit of roasted garlics. And this time I'm putting it inside the cavity. Right in here. Get that salt, get that garlic and herbs in there. A little bit on the outside. Get them in between the cuts so you can marinate into the meat. So when you're eating, you taste that flavor of the roasted garlics straight into your meat. This is a lemon pepper guys, so you know say the lemon is what we need from this. And look, kick out of the pepper too. Lemon pepper. You see me? Them fish are gonna sell off. Alright guys, so we're gonna move the fish from here over here in this bowl. As you can see, we put some paper towel because we don't want the water to in there. We don't want no moisture on our fish. We want fish to dry. Just like that.
My life experience build me up as a thug. Boy said them bad. Out of them dream. I mean not eat nothing when I cook in a canteen. One out of the 40. Help you man.
Yeah. Oil up the pot. Alright like guys, this is some flour. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of lemon pepper in this flour right here. So you know what I'm gonna do with my flour, right? My flour is to use to, you know, go over my fish before I start to fry them. Cause you know something I want my fish stick. So that's what the flour is gonna do. It's gonna prevent it from sticking. Right, guys. So over here I got the flour. And it's time for us to go ahead. Get a little bit of flour from here. Just rub it over your fish. Not to empower it too much. Just to get any, let him down into the oil just like that. And so the other one here, people. The other one is right here. So business, you know, it's a higher business. Bring him over here. Alright peeps, time for me to go through and get my okra wash and my carrot, onion and thing. Get them all up and running. That one okay. Hoping that is unruly, bud. Unruly. Yeah, fish I try to be unruly. That fry some more, so then I'll flip it. Have some more frying, I'll go on with it. Yeah, start looking good already, peeps. Yes, peeps, the fish them looks good. Time for me to remove them out the pot. Oh, I'll go out and make it. Oh, come out of the pot. Fish are stubborn, you know. Chewing them off. Yes, guys, you know, say I have some real onion and mushroom and thing are going on, so must say look good. It's a good vibes, you know. Saturday and thing. It's a good food vibes. Alright guys, so this is the pot where the fish came out of. Put a piece of butter in there. Make that go and sizzle around. It's a food party. Alright, some onion. Throwing some onion in there. At the same time, put in our carrots in there too. Let them go on in our holy matrimony. And some bell pepper. Yeah man, that's how we do it. Healthy food, you know. Organic style. Yeah, everything fresh. Alright, now this is some okra. Yeah, see there? All of the man them when know about them and perform well in the bed. This is why you need to eat. Eat the okra, guys, and make the ladies happy in the bed. Don't pop off and broke down. You see it? Eat good, eat fresh food. Lego the McDonald's and the KFC and the, you know, still the kitchen. Rastaman item. Coconut milk? Yeah. I have to have the coconut milk, guys. You know, say I have to have the coconut milk. Soy thing set. And with the water there. H2O! One bag of loose chatting. I never camera me you shot him. Oh man, mix up the thing. Get the thing up and running. Coconut juice. What them say? Coconut. Foreign style. Yeah man, a foreign style this. Jamaican style, we use the real thing. And no bother things, I mean have the real thing, you know, see the real thing, yeah. Yeah man, fresh coconut, the real thing, because I have the time to bust it up and chop it up and grate it. Yeah man, but you know, so boy, I have it in the kitchen, the real thing this. Yeah. No play with pot look nice and pretty. Beautiful. Coconut milk. See there? See there, people? Looking good. Yeah man, see there? That you must eat, guys. This. This is going to make your woman feel happy in the bedroom. Trust me, when I say this, it's going to make you happy. The okra stop in your back like say, boy, a rock whiler. So I say, you can't pop off and broke off in a 1 minute time. You have to go straight to an hour. Now and play. Make the woman them happy. So I say, that me I down. Put some more in it. Put in the mushroom. See there? Mushroom gone in. Yeah. Yeah man. See it there? See the peeps? Looking good. Now play around with the real good food. I say good food. Yes, sir. There. BlakeWrTv. We now play around. Real good food. Eat a stir. Eat a stir. Get everything settled in real nicely. We now play with good food. Real healthy eating. Looking good already. Scotch bonnet this here now. See him there? Scotch bonnet. The king of chef. Drop with this already. Time. We're going to put a little bit of roasted garlics in here. Just give it a little extra flavor and thing, you know. Not too overpowering, just a little bit. Give it a little bit more flavor and then we're going to store that in. Okay guys, me just put in some pepper, some tomato inside. Off camera, so them looking good on top right there. Gonna go ahead and put in some pink salt in the pot. Yeah, this is some pink salt. Give it some flavor. This salt is not as strong as the other salt. Yeah, that's good. Give it a little stir and thing. Yeah man, looking good. What do you think, Aiden?
It's super good.
Yeah, smelling good too. The coconut milk. Woo! Smelling good. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Look at that awesome goodness. With my scotch bonnet right there, so. Yeah man, make that go and steam down. So you all go on now. You'll go ahead and put in our fish in it. So I have to hold my fish and sink my fish in it. See there? So you're gonna people hold your fish and just sink your fish in it. And then now take some of the juice and thing. Just put over your fish like that. And then just cover him up. And make him go and steam down just like that. Yes, peeps. Water bubble down. Steam fish are going. Put a can over here so. Like it just are going with things. Okay guys, here is the final product. Yeah, fish looking good. Right here, the coconut stew down, run down, whatever you call it. It's right here. Big nice fish. Get some of that gravy with the okra, coconut milk and everything. Yeah. There we go guys. Healthy food right here. Just like that. See? You don't need no rice, you know. You don't need no rice. All you need is just the vegetable to go with this. Just like that. Alright guys, me have some corn over here in the pot, and most of them are finished by now. Alright guys, this is what it looks like. This is the final product. This is where it's all the wheels get down right here. Corn is ready. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this. Steamed fish, escovitch kind of coconut rundown, healthy man food. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Hope you guys enjoyed the little cooking tutorial right here. Easy walkthrough, step by step. Yeah man, and the fish right there so looking good. Hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, until next time, remember to thumbs up the video if you like the video, and also remember if you are new on the channel, go ahead and subscribe guys. A whole lot of goodness coming later on. Awesome food, you understand, delicious cooking. Yeah, right here on BlakeWrTv kitchen. Alright, let me taste what going on with the fish, you see it. Tastes good. Try the okra. Wow. Absolutely delicious. Ah, boy. This tastes good. With some more okra. You see it? This is what I'm talking about. You don't need no rice. Just the vegetable, okra, and the fish.
That's all you need on the corn. Nice piece of fish. See that, people? See that? Mushroom and everything. Just the eating. See that? See that, guys? Great good food. Fish is delicious.